Well, Forrest here at Cortesia Sanctuary, and I just did it today where I landed myself in a yellow jacket's nest and got bitten on my wrist. Right here you can see it's reddened up, and right here on the inside of my elbow, on the back of my elbow, and then this wrist is all puffed up from being bitten as well. And I wanted to show you how I use our magnesium spray first when I put it on bites and owies like this. And then it opens the pores up and allows the herbs that are in our Cortesia Healing Salve to really act in their first aid sort of way. Okay, so let's look at that. Oh, it's red there and puffed up. Ooh. You might feel just a little bit of sting as that magnesium chloride begins permeating the skin down to every cell. It's really rejuvenating to each skin, and it helps revitalize the cells because magnesium is the life force. It's the energy inside every cell. So every energy calls up a magnesium out of the body. So this is a very quick and very safe way that we can put it back in the body, right on that injury. Then I take just a little bit of healing salve, and when I say a little bit, enough that you can rub it in and it does not feel greasy. That's the trick. A little goes a long way. And every dab is an act of love, so we rub it in with a great deal of reverence and hope for healing. We don't have to rush this. This is our body. You know, you can enjoy this. Sure, I got bitten, but gee whiz, I share the world with them. I'm not upset. So there you go. I'm going to check in on this in a couple days, and I want to let you know again, the herbs in this salve are really antimicrobial, bacterial, you name it. 8 or 9 different herbs in there. They really go to work. And then the magnesium spray with chamomile water and several essential oils that really help the skin rejuvenate itself. Well, there you go. Well, I hope you enjoyed yourself and have a beautiful day as fall really begins to come down on us. Okay, beautiful.